Hi everyone, welcome back to this unbagging of the Unity kit of the month stamp Unity kit of the month for January 2026. I have not been on the website. I don't know anything what's going on, so it's going to be a blind look for me as well. And I see that they're going with young ladies and older people, which is cute. This little bunny, oh my goodness. I know Wondering Dreamer is like, I need that one. But good for her, they sell them in little sets. So we have this cute little bunny. Oh my goodness, he's adorable. We have this cute little chicken, and it would be good if some of the sentiments could fit inside the heart, right? Then we got this girl reading a book around some flowers, which is really good. I plan on doing like a flower stamping this year. January was just a slow month for me to get in the habit of crafting again because I've been in just not feeling well. Overall, I consider myself to still be sick because my voice has not fully returned. But going to the doctors and all that stuff. Then I have stuff going on with my son right now, so it's just a lot. But I'm gonna get back in the groove. Hopefully, it's not at the end of the year. We got some mature couples sitting at the beach, looking at something, probably watching some young crazy person on a parasail getting uh, beat up by the ocean, and then the bird is also looking that way, and then we have this beautiful flower with this butterfly, which I hope this is not a small flower. I am hoping that it's pretty large. It says love just because, a snowflake, hello lovely, because we're still in winter, right? We're still in winter. December, January, February, it's winter months. So this is cute. uh, One random snowflake. A new chapter starts today. This is her writing in her journal saying, I am done with this nonsense. I am going to be an artist if it kills me. One gentle step at a time is enough. Your story is just getting started. You matter more than you know. Life's best moments begin when you turn the page. So all these are little book things, and we'll look over here and see what they tell us. Wishing you a year filled with fairy tale endings. Oh, that's so sweet. This doesn't fit in any of the things though, because that would be like anyway. You make my heart happy, bunny. Right? A little reminder that you're pretty wonderful. Oh, I think this will be good. Be good with this one or that one. You have you may have forgotten the year, but not each other. The only thing you have to do is be here, and that's perfect. Oh, that's these two. Oh, I love it. You've reached permanent weekend status. That's when yes, yes. He got on socks and she don't. I love it. They even show like the little aging on them. Official Valentine's delivery. This little chicken. Just a little extra love for your day. Oh, sending a big squeeze. That's this one too. Yeah, you can squeeze it, and then let's see. You've reached permanent weekend status. The only thing you have to do is be here, and that's perfect. You may have forgotten the year, but not each other. Oh, love just because. Official Valentine's Day delivery. Yeah, just a little extra love for your day. I didn't see that one. Okay, it's right here. You make my heart happy. Of course, we knew that one. And then the snowflake. A little reminder that you're pretty wonderful. Oh, that's cute. I guess because it's a little heart. That's cute. Sending a big squeeze. I would have thought it would went with the chicken because the chicken looks like it's squeezing. The bunny look like it's presenting. And the girl, your story is just getting started. Wishing you a year filled with fairy tales. Life best moments begin when you turn the page. A new chapter starts today. Anything that had to do with books would have been on her, right? With her. But I do like the where is it? Wishing you a year filled with fairy tale endings. This could have been that, but they gave us this one. You matter more than you know. I don't think I read that one. Oh yeah, I did. Hello, lovely. Yeah, the butterflies talking to the flowers, maybe. And one gentle step at a time is enough. Okay, and so the stamps look pretty decent in size, which is good because last year when I first showed you the December and when I used the little lady stamp, I felt like she was smaller than the things that Unity has trained us to be used to. We'll look at all other stuff in a minute, but they're okay size. This flower is good size for just a regular card. Yes, very good size. This snowflake actually is pretty big as well. And then we have the bunny who is cute. So overall, this is a pretty decent um, kit of the month. I like it. I don't have any lose its, snooze its. So they did the girl. Okay, let me see something. This is cute. So they used like a little oval, and so this is they're showing us how they did it. That's cute, very cute. And then over here they use the chicken, and they put love on the inside. So this is cute. I don't think I would have did it this way, but I guess because a chicken in the barn, so it's like a gingham pattern. Interesting, interesting take. Of course, they did like a stencil layout. That's real cool. And then let's see what our quote unquote freebies are, which is this is adorable. This little bag, vellum bag with hearts on it. It's too cute. Then we got a heart, paper, a tag, and some cut aparts. It just says, I love you, you and me, be with you, being with you, thinking of you. This at the chicken, the flowers. This is really cute how they just made this small. I like that. And then on the other one, it's the bunny, and it says, love you forever. So these are really pretty. Happy heart day. I'm sweet on you. So cute. I don't think I would use, I rarely use them, but this is really cute. But this one, you can definitely put some goodies in and give it to your sweet babu, you know. If you know who that is, you know who that is, you know. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think. Which one's your favorite stamp for January 2026? The margins of ever after. Aw. And so if you are interested, no rush now. We little love courier, the softest thought once the story opens and where butterflies wait. But this is a cute kit. This is a good start for January 2026 when it comes to if I want to keep the kit going forward. Anyway, I hope that you all have a great day. Until next time, happy crafting.